Hello dear subscribers, today I'll tell you if you're tagged in some photo and this person is not in your friend list, and also after this person just locked his or her profile, so how also you can understand that will this photo from your post disappear or not. So actually yes, this post will disappear from your timeline, and mm, actually it not depending that it not depending on that this user just delete this post. So actually this user can leave this post, but if you're tagged in this photo and you aren't friends with this user, so you won't be able for seeing this post after. So thanks for watching, have a nice day, subscribe to my channel, click on my